5 genius ways to turn $100 into $10,000. Fast. Hey everyone, imagine this. You've got just $100, and somehow you turn it into $10,000. Sounds crazy, right? But today, I'm going to share 15 simple, proven ways to do just that. These methods are beginner-friendly, need little money to start, and anyone, even you, can do them. So stick with me till the end and find the one that works best for you. 1. Buy and sell items online. First up is flipping items online. With just $100, visit garage sales, thrift stores, or even flea markets. Look for branded shoes, vintage clothes, or even electronics that are underpriced. Then, list them on platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Facebook Marketplace. People are always looking for unique finds. Start small, and as you sell, reinvest your profit to buy more valuable items. A friend of mine started with $50, selling used sneakers, and now makes thousands a month. 2. Start a small service business. Did you know $100 is enough to start your own service business? Offer services like lawn mowing, car washing, or dog walking in your neighborhood. Invest the money in basic tools, like a good sponge and soap for car cleaning, or a lawnmower rental. Advertise your services on local Facebook groups or hand out flyers. Once you get your first customers, the profit can snowball. You might be surprised how quickly this adds up. 3. Invest in your skills. Sometimes, the best investment is in yourself. Use $100 to learn a new skill, like graphic design, copywriting, or coding, by purchasing an online course or training. Websites like Udemy or Skillshare offer affordable options. Once you've mastered your skill, offer your services on Fiverr or Upwork. I know a designer who learned Photoshop for under $50 and now earns thousands creating logos. 4. Start a drop shipping business. Drop shipping is perfect if you don't want to handle inventory. Use $100 to set up a basic online store with platforms like Showhost. Are you creative? Use your $100 to buy materials for making candles, jewelry, or custom art. Sell your creations on Etsy or at local markets. Handmade goods have a huge demand, and people love unique products. A friend of mine started with just $80 and now runs a 6-figure candle business. 5. Flip free stuff for profit, 4:30 to 5:30. This one's almost free. Check the free sections of Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace for furniture, appliances, or electronics. Clean them up, fix minor issues, and sell them for a profit. A guy I know got a free broken coffee table, spent $20 fixing it, and sold it for $200. Keep doing that, and watch your earnings grow. 6. Create and sell handmade items. Are you creative? Use your $100 to buy materials for making candles, jewelry, or custom art. Sell your creations on Etsy or at local markets. Handmade goods have a huge demand, and people love unique products. A friend of mine started with just $80 and now runs a 6-figure candle business. 7. Invest in stocks or ETFs. Investing is another great way to grow your $100. Use apps like Robinhood or eToro to buy fractional shares of stocks or ETFs. Start with safe, long-term options like index funds. Over time, with consistent reinvestment, your small investment can grow exponentially. Remember, patience is key with this one. 8. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can cost less than $100 if you already have a smartphone. Use your money for a tripod or basic editing software. Share content you're passionate about, gaming, cooking, or teaching skills. As your audience grows, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Many YouTubers started small and now make six figures. 9. Sell digital products. With $100, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, printables, or templates. Use free tools like Canva for design. Once created, sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. The best part? No inventory or shipping hassles, and you earn passive income every time someone buys your product. 10. Rent out items you already own. Got things lying around you don't use often? Rent them out. It could be a bike, camera, or even tools. Platforms like Fat Llama let you list and rent items to people in your area. Use your $100 to repair or upgrade those items to make them more appealing. And there you have it. 15 ways to turn $100 into $10,000. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and reinvest your profits. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this inspiration. Let's make that $100 work for you. Sanoon.